Hello everyone, my name is Kaushik. First year Triple E branch, startup company, Mangrove Brahmina Products, product name, knife, product proposed name, plasma knife. Empathizing, mentioning some requirements and feeling about the product and said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Display system that can display the protein and calories, ambient lighting and torch. Recharge system, defined based on empathizing state and considering the feeling and the requirement of the customers. May new features added to the existing product. Existing product name knife, future product name plasma knife. Ideate. Some of the additional features are added and mentioned here. Inbuilt calorimeter to detect the calorie and protein. Display system, rechargeable system. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working of model has been manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewer to present the video to comment your opinion and satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.